way, my people, this Edochie dem get mind oh. These people they really get mind. Make una see wetin wey Ebubedike don do. Una remember say Ebubedike when this pikin dem born am, this storm, Ebubedike make sure say Queen May got to know about the existence of this storm. Personally, according to the information what we hear, they said Ebubedike call Queen May that time, tell am say Yul Edochie don born another girl. That means Daniel don get a sister. But I remember be when Queen May come talk say that one no concern her. So Queen May told Papa Edochie say that one no concern her. Say if Yul Edochie don born another pikin, that is fine and good. E no concern am. Ebubedike try to push storm inside Queen May body. Queen May say for where? Abeg, make una carry una wahala, make una go somewhere else. That one can't go like that. Now, there is something that happened. When I make Queen May know say, these people, they don't take away, then they use her brain. My people, now Queen May can realize say, it don't take away, these people, they know what they do, and they are doing it comfortably, without blinking an eye, fully knowing that all what they are doing is not good. But while Queen May was married, they were still doing it. No shaking at all. Can you imagine how human beings, their mind fit dey? My people, una know say our beautiful royal Queen May, after when she left Yul Edochie, she now saw the Edochies from another perspective. No be from the way she been dey see them when she was inside the marriage. Because when she was inside the marriage, it was as if she was blindfolded. But my people, una listen to the matter wey bring us come here, because tori war kasala don burst for inside Oberaga industry. Area no clear, my people. At all. Make una come here. Waiting way it really happened. This is shocking. It is alarming. But Ebubedike, we always do waiting way come become Ebubedike, Papa Pete Edochie. According to the information what we dey hear, they say Papa Pete Edochie, he call Queen May for storm. He tell Queen May say storm is on her way. Queen May say no understand. Wetin be say storm dey on her way? Papa say they don't discuss am inside family. My people, say they had a family meeting. The time when they call Queen May was not available. So they had to conclude on their own without Queen May. But still at that, their conclusion is one of the best. Queen May say she no understand anything. Waiting way Papa Pete Edochie mean by all this? My people, Papa Pete Edochie then say in contact Queen May say Yul Edochie daughter wey Yul get. Say make Queen May remember say there was a time where he spoke about the pikin to Queen May. He told Queen May about storm predicament, wetin way she dey pass through and wetin way she dey face. So Papa come talk say the pikin still small well. So she sent storm dey on her way. Say anytime from now they will call Queen May to tell her where she go pick storm. Hey, Queen May say I no understand. Wetin be say na package wey be? He say no. Say na get person where they carry storm go Lagos. No be only her. Definitely only her cannot go. Hey God, my people, una listen abeg. This is Ebubedike. Definitely only her cannot go. So they now contacted somebody that go be as a carrier. We go carry the pikin from east to Lagos. My people, according to the information where we hear, they say Queen May tell Papa Edochie say she no get time. Say please, she has so much at hand. So then go discuss later. And if that is a joke, may Papa Edochie please not dey carry that joke the waka. Say wetin be the meaning say storm is coming, storm is not coming. Coming to where? How? How is it done? She no understand how Papa Edochie go just wake up like this. start to dey talk say storm is on the way. So Queen May now off the phone. My people, Queen May now went to do her things wey she dey do because she is always busy. So according to wetin we come hear, they said Papa Pete Edochie now, he come call Yul, tell am say make Yul give am that thing, say he go send am to Queen May. My people, Yul say, Daddy, you dey sure? He say yes. I don talk to her about storm. Now it is the moment for us to send it to her, so e no go catch her unawares. At least she go know say na because of storm wey we dey do am. All these things, my people, they said Ebubedike is looking for a way in which storm and Queen May pikin dem go come dey close. He is looking for a way in which if Queen May will accept say make storm dey, e go be the best, because they are looking for a way where Queen May go say, okay, fine, una don talk too much about this pikin. Okay, make una dey bring am. Anything wey be, make him be. We don't know why Papa Edochie is thinking that something like that can occur to Queen May to accept. How Queen May go accept pikin wey na Agadi now, a baby pikin, Yul Edochie pikin with another person, notwithstanding say na small pikin wey be. Queen May has made it clear time without number say she no wan get anything to do with Yul, anybody related to Yul. Na only Ebubedike call wey she still dey manage to pick. But still at that, Ebubedike dey still dey look for a way always to make it, impose it on Queen May. Some certain things wey Papa Pete Edochie no get right. But then again, this is Ebubedike for you. So according to the information wey we hear, they said Papa Pete Edochie come tell you all say, bring that thing now. It is the moment for us to send it. She already knows I don't tell am about storm. So she will be thinking, and she will even be asking herself if this thing be like that or not be like that. But bring it now. So they say, Yul Edochie, Papa Edochie, he can't send something to Queen May. Well, I know say they know Queen May address now. They know Queen May address well. They know everything about Queen May. So he can't send something to Queen May. Queen May was not expecting it. But then again, her secretary, when they do everything where Queen May no dey, na him come collect am. When he look am, they say, he look am. He say, He say, this document, this paper where they come, and it was written in Pete Edochie, everything signed and sealed. They say, he say, how this document go come here? You know they live here again now. To the best of my knowledge, no kind of official document can come to Yul in this house. But then again, they say they come call Queen May. Tell am say, you get one document wey come, and all indications they show say that document, e be like say na Yul, because he write the papa name. So Queen May was confused. Queen May, they say she come to talk say, she no understand wetin be all this thing. Days back, Papa Edochie call and tell and say that pikin wey Yul born, e dey on him way, and he was so serious about it. And Queen May shun that topic. Now again, documents where they come, paper where they come. So what is the meaning of all this? So Queen May did not hold the document. They said Queen May now call Papa Edochie tell and say, if Papa Edochie make mistake, send any documents as we hear the matter. Papa say, no, he no make mistake. Say that document is for Queen May. Queen May say, which document will go be for me? Say she's still not getting it. How come? Make it refresh Papa Edochie memory. Say, Yul, you know they live there again. He say yes, he know. Say Yul know they live there again. But still at that, the document is for Queen May. Queen May come ask and say, now who send me the document? He say, open them. When you open it, then you will know everything. Now Queen May say, it is very strange. Then say Queen May come off phone. Queen May tell her secretary say she is not going to open the document. But after a second thought, they said, Queen May now ask the secretary to forward the document to her legal team. And so they say she now told the secretary. Queen May did not touch the document. Now her secretary touched the document. Queen May did not even as in, she not even do anything to the document. It was her secretary that did everything. So she now said, forward it to the address of my legal team. I will contact them and I will tell them what is going on. Me, myself, I am confused, but please forward the document. So now, so they say, Queen May secretary, she now forward the document to her legal team. Then see the document, they say they don't understand. How come this document where they write Pete Edochie, Yul Edochie, it come to your house? She said she herself, she don't understand. Then tell her, say, you don't call them. Maybe they make, he say you don't call them. And they are just making her to, to be confused. But she no want open the document. But at the same time, as we come become human being, you will be somehow, you want to see what is going on. You want to know exactly what be the thing. As we hear the matter of my people, then say, so Queen May, legal team tell her, say, okay, there is no problem. When she finish everything, what she dey do, make she come, then go open her pet, make Queen May dey around, because it is good for her to video it while they are opening it. Make it be say, Queen May saw everything on her own. If there is anything bad, Queen May go use them. Anyhow it be, make she get evidence. Queen May say no be bad idea. After how many days they say, then come call Queen May and say, you dey come for the opening of the envelope or make we just throw away am, forget about it. Queen May say she don't think and she go come, make them open the envelope. After all, if they say make them and open and see what's in the inside, let them open it. So Queen May now went to her legal team. They now sat down, they were discussing, and then they brought the document out from the drawer. They now opened the document, and Queen May was taking video. She was making sure that she did record everything. And Papa Edochie, he get one letter where he writes, another letter. There was like 3 letters. Inside that letter, when they were reading it loud, Papet was like begging Queen May, talking to her, explaining her that things have changed. Queen May supposed to understand that he will not allow nothing bad may happen to Queen May. In they give Queen May a word, in they give Queen May everything, assurance 100 over 100, that even if Queen May they think say things don't worse, no, things don't change, but things change for good. Because immediately Queen May left the family, they now sat down and they realized that he did not handle this thing in a mature way. He was saying all those things inside the document, inside the paper. So they now saw a legal, an official receipt, an official paper, as like a voucher or like a receipt or like something that if you dey owe person, they will give you say, see what you dey owe. It is receipt now. Then you go come pay. Now they say they saw. They say, you dey owe person something. Queen May say no now. She know they remember say she dey owe person something. And if she dey owe person something, no be that place we supposed to dey. How come you go be for Papa Edochie their side? No be there where you supposed to dey. They said yes, it's true. But when they were opening it, they saw stamp. 2, 3, official stamp. When they look and well, now one hospital stamp. They say, you go somewhere where Pete Edochie carry you go, or any paper where you owe. He said no. Una read well, please. Because Queen May did not wanted to touch the paper, wanted to touch the document, no read anything, nothing. She said she know they agree. She know they even put her hand on anything that comes from the Edochie. She no want. So while they were reading, they now realized that inside the paper, it was written, this pikin wey dem just born, in name, her full name. Then come they write them. Say, see the amount where they don't spend on the pikin. And see the amount deposit where Ebubedike don't pay. And the balance. And the balance was so huge. Now they say, at the back of that paper, now Papa come write Queen May tell and say, then they send her this document because na Queen May daughter balance way they're supposed to pay. They no go call somebody from outside, make it help them pay the balance. Say last 2 weeks, then carry the pikin go for make them check am, make them see how they can start up anything on her than to leave make that body where she get they grow like that. So after the whole checkup, say for Nigeria, anytime where person touch person, na money. So after the whole checkup, they had to pay, and the money was too much because they dem some medicines wey the pikin go dey take small small. So they are on it to comot wetin wey the pikin get for her body. But dem say the process is very slow, very long, and very expensive. My people, na so dem talk oh. The process, because na something wey dey suppose to take very as in much carefulness to do. Reason is because they no want tamper with any other part of the pikin wey while e go dey grow, e fit affect am. That is why it is very, very slow, very, very expensive. And then all those things na money. Na so dem talk. So they don do part. They are expecting that make Queen as part of the family. And Ebubedike even say the pikin dey smile like Queen May. Oh God. Even say the pikin dey smile like Queen May. Say the pikin at some point e look a little bit like our queen. So he no know na God dey do am. Na God see am do am like that. So please make Queen May consider sending the balance. Say no be money wey she dey throw away. Na just help wey she dey help innocent pikin wey no be she put herself inside that condition. So please see wetin wey dey don pay and see wetin wey e remain. Because the process e go eat plenty money. Na so dem read everything. Queen May say, so that is why this man told me few weeks back say he go send the pikin make e come. He go send the pikin make e come. I come dey ask myself say, wetin be say he wan send that pikin make him come? So the reason was that he bin wan tell me say he go send receipt make I pay. Queen May now refresh her brain and she now remember that Papete Edochie called her few weeks back and was telling her say, I go send Storm, Storm dey come. So na the thing wey bin wan tell am. My people, make una see say these people dey no get shame. Shame no dey their eye at all at all. When I say no dey their eye, be say e no dey their eye. Can you imagine? After wetin wey dem do Queen May, because Queen May did not allow herself to be broken, they could not break her. She came out and she came out strong. Now they still want to dey shoot their shot, and not only that, they even still want to dey collect it and then continue make Queen May dey sponsor their lifestyle. Na Queen May send y'all make e born another pikin. Na Queen May send y'all make e do wetin wey e dey do. My people, or na Queen May na im ask Yul Edochie make e disrespect im family. Today, he cannot even be a man and stand up and foot his bills. He still dey ask for help from Queen May. They say the thing dey too long. They no go fit do am alone. Make Queen May please dey support them. After all support na support. All help na help. My people, this is so shameful. Queen May say make dem tear that thing. Say she is not interested. Make dem tear am and make dem respond Papete Edochie officially. As he sent the document officially, make dem respond to him officially. Then dem come send am. One time, immediately send a document officially telling him that, please, with all due respect, may this one be the first and the last where their client is being sent such documents. Papet comes back, say, he give Queen May paper, make Queen May whole. Queen May carry paper, go give a legal team. Is it that how it's being done? He send the document for Queen May home address. Queen May forward the documents for legal team. When did he say that that is an official document? That is a family document. That's so you come dey shout, they tell Queen May. Say they very, very shocking and surprising. Say Queen May not even want help at all for that pikin. That just for her to add some more money plus the one where they don't pay. That the thing where they ask in plenty and they will do so much, and it is very, very slow. So why can't Queen May be contributing gradually? No be bad thing. Now all thing where they do, God will still reward her. Queen May then say she no answer Papete Edochie. This is too much. My people, this is too much. Anyway, Now the thing wey happen o, Papet is desperate because he dey expect say make Queen put in hand dey help. But wetin wey he wan do na say make Queen start to dey help because in peradventure dem tell Queen if at all she put hand help say okay make I just do am in terms of charity, that means nke agaala. Nke agaala. Papet go still dey expect say because she did it first, she go continue to dey do am because he knows very well that Queen has a very good heart. He knows that Queen na good woman and he knows that Queen there are many things wey Queen because of her good church mind, she fit wan do. So if Queen peradventure tries anyhow do once, dem go don want make she dey do it as her point of duty, and which is not like that. And Queen she said it that she will not subscribe for that. My people, yawa dey here. Can you impose something on an adult and something like this? You know fit. You can't. My people, I want to hear from you guys and say Queen they don't tell and say Papet Edochie won't collect her money. Yes, they don't tell am. And they tell and say make she not even give him any way at all for him to feel say he get right over Queen. My people, this one is too much. Obedike no be am. How can you send such a bill for make Queen pay half for it? Because I don't pay half. Now she send y'all make you get belle, give woman belle. Now Queen send y'all make you give woman belle. Anyway, my people, please drop your comments down. Now this one will happen. No, this people in the call storm. Why are they trying to push her into Queen and her pikin their life? Anyway, I dey come back in a jiffy. This na Jessie Queen. Please, I won't beg of una. Like, share, and subscribe. Pray for our Queen, I beg of you. And also support her ministry. It is very important. Thank you, my people. I do really appreciate all of una.